How to fix Play Store to download on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store to download on Android phone. First, then just click settings and then click apps and apps again, and here we'll find Google Play Store. Click on it and now click storage and click clear cache and then click clear data here and click OK and force stop and go back and go to Google Play Services and go click this one here, storage, and now click clear cache and now just go back and just restart your phone and then your problem must be fixed. And that's how to fix it, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.